There are various ways you can earn money on crypto. One of them is airdrop. Another one is to invest and wait till your investment appreciates. Another way is to trade and earn at goals. So in this video, guys, I will be guiding you on how to make money on crypto trading future tradings using SuperEX. This video is for educational purpose, guys, not a financial advice video. Always endeavor to do some research. The first thing you have to do, guys, to be sure that you have an account with SuperEX. Creating an account with SuperEX is very simple, guys. I'll drop the link in my Telegram channel. It's also in this video description, guys. Tap on that link, create your account, verify your account. Once your account has been verified, then you are good to go. After that, guys, you need to have some USDT on your account. Tap on the asset button. It comes out like this. Tap on deposit button. Now here you need to tap on USDT from Mystery or from Popular Coin, or search USDT using the search bar. Now once you tap on it, it comes out like this. You can send your USDT to this platform using any of these network. Now that I've done that, you are good to go to trade on this platform. But guys, before you trade on this platform, there is particular information I want to show you guys from the official Twitter handle of SuperEX. As at the time of this video is being recorded, guys, this project has about 342,800 followers on Twitter. Then there is particular information that I would like to share with you based on trading that will guide you to earn more for trading on this platform. And this information was released 24 hours ago. SuperEX Future Trading Check-in Challenge is live. If you are a trader and know how to trade very well, then jump into this opportunity and earn for yourself. Trade future daily, check in and earn up to 50 USDT. 100 lucky users will get 20 USDT each day. Then top traders share about 3,000 USDT prize pool. And this is between August 27 and September 10. So if you know how to trade very well, then use this particular exchange and amount yourself a wonderful benefit. So now that I've done that, come to the banner here. You see option that move from the banner, locate and tap future trading check-in banner. The one you see on the screen, tap on it. Once you tap on it, it comes out like this. Then tap on this button to register now. Once you tap on that, you've registered for these activities. Now you can take your time and read through some of the benefit that you're going to enjoy from this platform. Look, user reward. Then you have access to future check-in reward, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 10 days. You have the benefit like this. Then you have the extra trading reward, which is what you see, guys. So you can take your time and read through all this. And I've completed registration now. Go ahead and trade. Tap on trade button. Once tap on trade button, you have yourself at this place. Make sure you tap on future trading. Once tap on future trading, then the next thing you have to do, guys, is to select your trading pair. Where you see turn USDT, tap on that button. So tapping it brings you to this interface. So you have different trading pairs you can leverage on here. Most especially, you see what is called perpetual at the front of trading pairs you want to select. So for the sake of this video, let's go and select sand. For example, tap on sand. Or tap on sand, you see that sand /USDT has come out here. At the front of Sand USDT, you see minus 1.31%. That is the falling price of this token against USDT in the last 24 hours. Then here you see one candlestick. Tap on it. Once tap on this candlestick, this has to do with the number or the time frame you selected here. Here, each of these candlesticks stand for 1 hour. If you tap on 30 minutes, then each of these candlesticks stand for 30 minutes. Means this tells you how the price has been moving the last 30 minutes. If you tap 15 minutes, then you see that the last 15 minutes, the price of the candlestick going up and coming down. Then in the last 1 minute, you see the price of the price of this token has been coming down. Then you can tap to have it for 24 hours. This tells you the price of this in the last 24 hours. So that is how to do that. Then after that, you see on that double candlestick at the front, tap on it. Once tap on it, it comes out like this. Here you have more analytics tools here to analyze this project. You can also tap on more and see up to 12 hours on this platform. You can see 1 week here. Here is the price of this token in the last 1 week. You see the highest price to be 1.0683, and the lowest price the last 24 hours to be around this place. So you have access to this. Now you can use these, guys, to analyze the market very well, but I always encourage you use other tools to analyze your market, like TradingView, to analyze the market before you go into trade. Then you have option to use EMA. You can tap on EMA to have access to this. You can as well use BOLL tools to use this. Then you can tap on volume to use. You see that these are what you can use, guys, to analyze the market very well on this platform. You can tap on MACD to use this. So these are what you can definitely use to analyze the market very well on this platform. Not only that, then after the chart, then at the top you see 0.2792. This is the current price of SAND/USDT. Then at the base you see minus 1.34 going up and down. That is the value, the falling price in the last 24 hours. Then at the front you see 24 hours high, 24 hours low, 24 hours turnover. It means the highest price of this token in the last 24 hours is 0.2864, while the lowest price is 0.2761. The last 24 hours, about 28.54 million has been traded on this platform. Then after that, you scroll up a bit, you see what is called order book and market history. Order book tells you that people are buying and selling on this platform at each seconds. The green indicates buy or open, while the red indicates sell or close. Then you have access to the market history. You can see time, price, and amount people are trying to invest on this at every seconds. So that is what you can use here, guys. You can see this to trade this or to analyze the market really on this platform. Then let's tap back now. Now that I've tapped on this, you've analyzed this. Now the next thing is that you need to select what is called isolate. Now here, if you tap on that isolate, you have different options. You have the cross, isolate, and split, guys. And I always encourage users, mainly newbies, to trade using the isolated margin. This is very simple because if you have 10,000 or 2,000 USDT on your account, you've selected certain amounts or you've marked certain amount to trade on this platform, and the market go against your prediction. So once the amount you selected has been liquidated, you'll be sent out of the market, and you have the remaining USDT, remaining capital safe sand in your account. But if you use cross margin, once the amount you set aside is liquidated, then the system will take from your main capital, and this may empty your account within a very short time. So I always encourage you tap on isolate, then tap on confirm. After that, go and tap on leverages where you see 10x. There's little arrow at that top. Make sure you trade between 3 and 5x. Now let me explain what leverages it means. If you are trading with 1000 USDT and you select 10x, it means your 1000 USDT will multiply by 10. That is, you are trading with 10,000 USDT. Your earning is based on 10,000 USDT. And if the market goes against your prediction, your loss is going to be in 10x. It means you're going to leave the market as soon as possible. So always try as much as you can to manage risk while trading by using lower leverages. Between 3 and 5x is very good. Now that we've done that, another thing I want to teach you is that how to calculate your earning, your estimated benefit before you even start trading. You've done your analysis and you want to calculate your expected trading or your expected earning before you trade. Go and tap on the calculator button where you say +/= Once you tap on it, it comes into this place. I've made series of video on how to use this, but for the sake of new users that are watching this video for the very first time, let me quickly run through this in this process. For example, you see the profit, closing price, liquidation price, average price. So here we're going to cover one or two on this platform. The first one we want to use is profit. For example, the price you enter the market is here. Let me say 0.2587. You enter the market at this price. Then you want to close this market at what price? And this has to do with what you choose, either open long or open short. When you open long, you pray that the price will increase. So let's take a look that we want to open long. I want to close a price when the price is 0.2700. Now, then what count? We are counting on 100 counts. Then tap on calculate. So it means we're going to get 51% on this, and if we invest 100 USDT, we're going to get 51.81 USDT. That is how to calculate that. based on the price that is going to, the value that is, the price is going to increase. Now, if we predict that the price is going to come down, and don't forget our expected price or our entry price is this, so it means that your closing price is going to be lesser than the entry price. Let's say it's now be 25, let's say 25.00 this time around. We expect the price to fall like this and it's going to count. Don't forget that we've switched to short now. Tap on calculate. So we're going to make around 26% of what we invested. So if you invested 100 USDT, you're going to get $26 as a expected price. Now let's tap on closing price. On closing price is a bit different. Now we've calculated based on profit, then you have to select your margin as well, entry price, a month open count, then the profit you expect, then it will calculate for you. So let's say our entry price is still 0.2578 and open count we are going for 100 this time around. So what do you expect from this? Maybe you want to make let's say you want to make 30 USDT. Tap on done, then tap on count. So then closing price, this way to close a price at 0.2655 and you enter at 0.2576, and maybe you want to make, now you want to make $100 from the amount you want to invest. Then go ahead and tap on calculate. Then this will help you to determine the closing price you want to invest on. That is that. So it's also go for short as well. Now that I've known this, you've known the expected profits you're going to enjoy at this process. Now let's go into the trading properly. Now you have the open, you have the close. We've explained how to get your trading pairs, how to select your margin, and how to select your leverages. Now we've also guided you on how to calculate your expected profit even before you enter the market. Now let's go and trade. Now let's tap as open. Now open means you want to predict the price is going to increase or lower, but here you have limit. Tap on the limit or tap on that limit button. You have different options here. You have limit, you have market. We're going to dwell on limit and market. Let's quickly talk on market first. On market, it means you're going to buy at the current price, and the current price of Sunday is 0.2805. So you can enter the price you want to, the amount you want to invest. Maybe you want to invest 1,000 USDT or 100 USDT. Then tap on log. Manually drag the amount you have here, so to buy, and tap on buy long or buy short. Now that is the market. Then the other hand is the limit order. On the limit order, you have power to enter the market at your own convenient price. The current price is this, but you believe that the price is going to come down, so you want to buy when the price come down to 720, and after that the amount you want to invest, you enter it here. Then when the price fall to this place, then the system will trigger your action. You'll be able to buy them. You can as well tap on this button, stop loss and take profit. Now this is another important feature that you need to use on this platform. So you've entered the price. When the price fall to 0.2720, now you want to take the profit. When the price is 0.2900, that's when you want to take price, and you want to stop loss when the price is 0.2700. So when the price fall to 2.900, you take profit, and when the price fall to 2.700, you stop loss. Then you go ahead and tap on open long. And if you are taking it on close, make sure that when you are taking profit on open long, the price you take profit is always higher than the entry price. But when you are taking profit from open shorts, the price at which you take profit is always lower than the price you enter the market. So that is all you need to know about this platform and start earning for yourself. If you get this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share. See you guys on my next video.